Keifang Venglai Village Council by election chu nimin khan nei ania ZPM in seat lila in rorelai pol MNF in seat khat an la thung Keifang Venglai VC in thana hian vote nei mi zakwa somthum pasari omzinga mi zasari pakwa mi pa zathum somli parukle meichia zathum somruk pathum in vote an thlaka vote la hi za asom sari panga point bial patni atlingani Keifang Venglai VC hitam laklua thia ani awangin by election hi nei ania Tunhaya Mizoram Hundanga VC by election Neirual Khan nei ve turati ni mase court thu buai kallai ani awangin anin thlang ve talawa Mizoram State Election Commission ruam manna in nimin khan in thlanna hin nei ani Keifang Venglai VC by election na an party in ne na achan chungchanga ZPM President Pulalian so ta chuan lom thu asoya danpa ngaya chuan VC by election chu rorelai party chanvo ani deuh thina hetianga ni chunga an party in seat omzong zong panga atanga seat li a hne na an chang thei chu an lom hle ti asoi